Hi friends, welcome to a new vlog. When I was a kid, I looked forward to summer vacation to visit my cousins, and train journeys were a big part of our lives. Last year, when I visited my hometown in Kolkata, I was blessed to get a chance to go back to my childhood days on a short trip to Digha. My trip started with crossing the Howrah Bridge and reaching the railway station. We boarded the train and I was immediately transported back to my childhood days. Ma was super excited and natural with vlogging while Baba was sleeping in the background. Digha is a coastal town located in the East Indian state of West Bengal. The dune-backed Digha sea beach faces the Great Bay of Bengal. The scenic beauty of this place is charming and luring. One can view both the sunrise and sunset at Digha sea beach. The sunsets and sunrises reflecting off the salty waters of the Bay of Bengal are something straight from an artist's canvas. তোমার কেমন লাগছে? ভালো লাগছে। এখন আমরা কোথায় আছি? শঙ্করপুর। আমরা এখন Okay. So we are now in Mohana, which is near to Old Digha, to see sunrise. But it's cloudy today, so I'm not sure if we can see sunrise. Let's go check it out. Akra. Can you see Kakra? Ali gache na palai. Can you see Kakra? Delta দেখেছিস আগে কখনো? See this side, it's so peaceful. এটা নদী, এটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি এটা হচ্ছে ডেল্টা নদী আর বে অফ বেঙ্গল মিশে যাচ্ছে এখানে। হ্যাভ ইউ এভার সিন কি এটা পুরো এখান দিয়ে এমনি করে? না, ইউ হ্যাভ নেভার সিন দ্যাট। আমরা সবসময় দেখেছি সমুদ্রের একটু টানা। rest of the trip was spending time with my family, enjoying the local food, and laughing and gossiping. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.